channel Ruchi's Food Masti. Today I will be sharing two refreshing corn salad recipes which are very easy to make and liked by everybody. So let's get started. I've taken 1 cup of fresh corn. I have already kept the pan for heating. So let us add half tablespoon of olive oil. Roast the corn. You can do it in the oven also at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, but I'm doing it in the pan. Roast it on high flame and cook it till it is lightly charred. You can do this with frozen corn also, but I have taken fresh corn. The first salad we are making is Mexican street style corn salad. Roll it in between, otherwise it will get burned. It is lightly charred, so we will take it out in the mixing bowl. Now let us make the dressing. For the dressing, let us take 1.5 tablespoon chipotle mayonnaise. You can use plain mayonnaise also. 1/2 tablespoon sour cream. 1/2 teaspoon taco seasoning. Instead of this, you can use plain chili pepper also, chili flakes also. That will also do. I have given recipe for taco seasoning in my taco video. Let us mix it. To the roasted corn, we will add 2 tablespoons of colored bell pepper, half de-seeded jalapeno, chopped jalapeno, 1 tablespoon cilantro leaves. Let us add the dressing. I'm adding 1 tablespoon to start with. If we need more, we will add more. Now let us mix it well. In the serving bowl, you can add salt if you want. Top this with feta cheese. You can use fresca cheese. I did not get fresca cheese, so I'm using feta cheese. And cilantro leaves. And last but not the least, let us dot this with Mexican hot chili sauce. It's ready to eat now. Now let us do the second salad. It is herb, apple and corn salad. Fresh herb, apple and corn salad. I have taken 1 cup of fresh corn. You can do this with frozen corn also, but fresh corn is always better. So let us boil this for 4 minutes. I have put it in the boiling water. While boiling, let us season it with salt. Now 4 minutes are over. Let us switch it off and strain the corn. I have strained the corn. Let's put it in the mixing bowl. Make the dressing. I have taken 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To that I will add 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. I have kept the dressing very simple. Salt as per taste. And black pepper. A lot of black pepper because there is no chili in this salad. Now I will mix it with this my teeny tiny whisk. Let's assemble. Add 2 tablespoons of spring onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro and turn the leaves of fresh mint. You can use parsley, dill, you can use instead of apple you can use celery. 1/4 cup of apple, green apple, chopped green apple. You can use celery instead of apple. Green apple will give a little crunch in the salad. And let us pour this dressing and mix it well. And it's ready to eat. Hope this video inspires you to try the recipe at home. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Happy cooking. Bye.